Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid serum. First, understand that hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into your skin. L'Oreal serums are formulated to deliver intense hydration, making your skin feel smoother and look more supple. This key ingredient works wonders for all skin types, providing a refreshed and youthful glow. It's a simple yet effective addition to any skincare routine. To apply your L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum effectively, begin with a freshly cleansed face. It's crucial to apply the serum to slightly damp skin, as this helps lock in moisture more efficiently. Dispense about 2 to 3 drops into your palm, then gently pat it evenly over your entire face and neck. Avoid rubbing vigorously. A gentle patting motion ensures optimal absorption and coverage. To truly maximize the benefits of your hyaluronic acid serum, always follow up with a good moisturizer. This creates a barrier that seals in the hydration, preventing moisture loss throughout the day or night. For optimal results, incorporate the serum into both your morning and evening skincare routines. Consistency is key to achieving that plump, hydrated look and feel. Remember to store it properly too. A common mistake is applying hyaluronic acid serum to completely dry skin. This can actually draw moisture out of your skin, so always ensure your face is slightly damp. Also, resist the urge to use too much product. A few drops are perfectly adequate for your entire face and neck. Over-application won't yield better results and simply wastes product. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.